All right, welcome to our tip for the day on Daily Smart Tips. Over here, we share with you some tips on how to manage the use of our smartphones. Since smartphones are no more emerging technology, it has become very necessary for its users to also get themselves abreast with certain tips that can help them handle it well in terms of usage. Data, they say, is live. So today I want us to go into WhatsApp and see how we can manage the use of our data. Sometimes you recharge your data, you top up, and within the shortest possible time, you receive a notification that you have exhausted 50% of your data. Soon you will receive another notification you have exhausted 90%, and lo and behold, within the shortest possible time, you receive another notification, the final one, that you have exhausted all your data. So today I want us to look at how to change our preferences in terms of the way we use our WhatsApp so that it can save us a tons of data with regards to where we find ourselves. Normally, our location determines our preferences, the things you like, the things you don't like. It has been influenced by our location, where you find yourself. Okay, so first of all, launch your WhatsApp application and let's go. Now, when you launch your WhatsApp application, irrespective of the type of phone that you are using, being either Android or iOS, launch your WhatsApp and you locate the menu on the right top corner with three dots. When you click on the three dots, then you move directly to settings. Now, when you come to settings, you will see these details: your account, your chat, your notifications, your storage, and data. Actually, we are going to take our time to go through the various sections, the account, chat, notifications, but then today we are emphasizing on the storage and data. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also follow us on Facebook as Daily Smart Tips, DST for short. Okay, so quickly let's go to storage. You click on storage and you scroll down. Over here you will see media auto download. Now by default, every application has got its default settings. So it is up to the user to change the settings according to your preferences, how you want that app to work for you. The developer has developed the app with the various preferences that each user can choose from among the preferences. Now over here we have when using mobile data. That is when you have your data on. And again, the second one is when connected on Wi-Fi. If you get opportunity to connect to any wireless connection, yeah, that is that. And the third one is when roaming. Now based on these things, you can choose and set your preferences for all the three fields. Now WhatsApp deals with 4 media. This media includes photo, audio, videos, and document. So you can choose what to download at what time. Okay, all right. So the first thing that I want us to look at is when using mobile data, because that is what we normally use. You have your own data, you have your mobile network, and then you connect it and you are using it. Okay, so that is what really affects a lot of people. So click on when using mobile data. Now, when you are using mobile data, you can choose what media to download. Get it right. You can choose to download photos, you can choose to download audio, you can choose to download videos, and you can choose to download documents. Now, everything that you select here will be done automatically. As soon as you receive them in your WhatsApp application, it will be downloaded. That is, if you check it, if you tick it in the box. Every media that you select here, as soon as you receive it in your WhatsApp, automatically it will download by itself without you having to download it. So sometimes you go into your WhatsApp and you see some details, you see some files, you see some images, and you have no idea where you downloaded it. Okay, so this is where they are coming from. So you can choose to download photos anytime you have data. Okay, or you can choose to even disable it so that you will, manually select to download any photo, image, or whatever comes to your WhatsApp. All right. So that is that. Any media that you choose here will be downloaded automatically. That is the auto media download. So don't forget it. And this settings is right under the data when using mobile data. All right. So in a safer mode, for you to save a lot of data, you can choose to uncheck everything. Check it. If your own has been checked green, make sure that you untick it so that you can choose what photo to download. You understand, so that it will not be downloaded automatically. Once you are done, go to OK. Now the second option is when connected on Wi-Fi. A lot of people work in some offices where they have Wi-Fi connection. So as soon as they get to work, they begin to download stuff. Yeah, I'm not saying use your company's Wi-Fi for downloads, but then it is possible that you can use it to save yourself from some data. It may be your own, Wi-Fi, but it may be that you don't spend all the time at that place. So instead for you to be going through your WhatsApp and be downloading it one by one, you can set this preference for your WhatsApp application that as soon as you connect to that Wi-Fi, every media that you receive on your WhatsApp should be downloaded automatically, being either photos, being audio, videos, or documents. You understand? But don't forget that all these things will take a space on your phone. Once we also look at it how to save space, that is storage on our mobile phones too. Okay, so that is that. Whichever media you expect your WhatsApp to download automatically, you check it, and the ones that you don't want them to be downloaded automatically too, you won't check it. So that is that for auto media downloads, and when connected on Wi-Fi. So as soon as you are done here, the next option is when roaming. So that one too, you can choose which media to download, and you are done for that. Don't forget that this is what consumes most of our data. So make sure that you check it, because by default it is set to auto media download. So you have to come here to your WhatsApp storage and data, and you select which media to download at what time. That is when you have your own data on, when you are connected to Wi-Fi, or when your data is roaming. So that is that for today. Make sure that you check your settings so that you can be sure of where exactly your data is going, or which apps are exactly draining your data. Thank you so much for being part of this tip. This is Daily Smart Tips. Make sure that you indicate in the comment section if you have any question, and also if you have anything to share with others, indicate it in the comment section, and we'll be glad to read that too. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on our next Daily Smart Tips. Have a nice day.